Okay, so this is how I draw crossed arms. So one of the easiest ways of drawing people, or maybe like figures, poses, is starting through basically a stick figure. That's what I use. You're gonna want to start with a stick figure form, and then you're gonna have to build up through that by adding form to your drawing. Adding a stick figure first doesn't just give you accuracy to the drawing or maybe pose you're drawing, it gives you an idea of what you're trying to go for. So if you start with a stick figure and then build up on that, adding form, and then after that, a little bit of detail, a little bit of values, obviously that comes after you've done all those things. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start by building up the shape by starting with the stick figure. How do you do that? Easy. You just imagine it's a stick figure crossing its hands, right? And then you're gonna build up on that. Simple as that. Here's an example of that.